In this video, let's talk about how do 1-inch wheel spacers work.
BMW X3 wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket part. The high-quality BMW X3 wheel spacers can help with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, adaptation of aftermarket wheels, cosmetic changes, better handling, and much more. BMW X3 wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment. They allow the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the BMW X3. The lines of the BMW X3 will be fuller. This gives the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. The use of BMW X3 wheel spacers allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or to upgrade to lower wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. We usually install 25mm wheel spacers on the front wheels and the rear of the BMW X3, and the overall result is perfect and full. This is also the choice of many BMW X3 owners who buy the BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacers. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 3mm to 50mm. BONOSS BMW X3 wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will deform and endanger driving safety under strong impact.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.